out the admin layer using Forge, which is our rapid application development tool. We're not going to spend too much time focusing on the business layer there. We're just going to use what Forge generates. And then the monitoring dashboard will also use the same business layer as the user front end. That's just a slight glitch in the diagram. And of course, they all need to communicate with the database. So we're going to use JPA and Beam validation underneath to provide that. We also have plans for a native mobile front end, which will be built using largely the same stack as the user front end in HTML5, using the same REST services, etc., that the user front end uses. Yes, and I should mention that the HTML5 layer uses JAX-RS to communicate with the server, and then we use EJBs for declarative transaction management, and that's really the only reason we've got EJBs in this stack at all, is just to give us declarative transactions. And then we use CDI to wire the whole thing together. Okay, so I've mentioned that we're going to be using tooling. We're going to be using JBoss, which is an Eclipse environment that comes with lots of plugins for use with JBoss. And we're also going to be using Forge, which is a command line interface tool for project comprehension, for rapidly building out applications. And you'll see that in action, so hopefully that will give you a good idea of how Forge can help you. Oh, and I don't know what the P's for, but this is the point at which I do the demo. So what I've got is I've got the application deployed onto OpenShift, which is the Red Hat Platform as a Service, which runs JBoss AS7. So what we have here is the application. Let's see now. It's just loading, I think. The application running up on the PAS. It should be